Most teams do not have an ad production problem because they lack ideas. They have an ad production problem because every idea turns into 5 more tasks. You need a hook. You need a script. You need a visual angle. You need a creator or presenter. You need product shots. You need a format that actually fits TikTok, Reels, Shorts, Meta, or YouTube. And after all of that, you still do not know which version is going to perform. So in this video, I'll walk you through Higgsfield Marketing Studio 2.0, which is built to turn a product link or product image into finished AI video ads inside one workflow. The main update here is the hook generator. That matters because the hook is usually the hardest part of the ad. It is the first line, the first 3 seconds, and the reason someone either keeps watching or scrolls away. Instead of starting from a blank page, I can paste in a product link, choose an ad format, generate hook options, pick the angle that makes sense, and then build the full ad around that. I'm going to keep this practical. We'll start with one product input. Use Marketing Studio. Look at the generated hooks, choose a format, generate an ad, and then talk through how I would actually use these outputs for testing. The first step is simple. I'm starting inside Higgsfield AI, opening Marketing Studio, and choosing the input I want to use. Once I paste the product link, Marketing Studio reads the page and pulls the core product context. This is the part that replaces the messy starting point. Here is the key update in Marketing Studio 2.0. It now generates the hook before the full ad. After the product context is loaded, I can look at multiple hooks options matched to the type of ad I want to create. That distinction is important. Marketing Studio gives me hooks that fit the format. For example, if I'm making an AI UGC ad, I'm looking for a hook that sounds like a real creator opening a video, something direct, simple, and specific. If I'm making a product review, I want a hook that creates curiosity without sounding fake. If I'm making a TV spot, I want something more polished and brand level. The goal is not to blindly accept the first option. The goal is to use the generated hooks as starting points. I can pick the strongest hook, slightly adjust it, and then build the full video around that angle. That saves time, because I'm not trying to invent the entire ad from scratch. And from a marketing perspective, this is the part that makes testing easier. If the hook changes, the entire ad changes. You can test different openings, different formats, and different angles while still starting from the same product. Next, I'll choose the ad format. Marketing Studio can generate ads across 9 formats from a product link or image. The ones I would focus on for this demo are UGC, SaaS, UGC, tutorial, unboxing, product review, hypermotion, TV spot, wildcard, and the virtual try-on formats when the product category fits. Now I'll generate the full ad. This is where Higgsfield AI takes the product context, the selected hook, and the chosen format, then creates the video ad output as an end-to-end AI ad production workflow powered by Seedance 2.0, so that when the result appears, I'm checking 3 things. First, does the opening line make sense? The hook needs to be clear immediately. Second, does the visual format match the ad type? If I chose AI UGC, it should feel social native. If I chose a product review, the presenter and product context should feel aligned. If I chose a TV spot, I'm expecting more cinematic pacing. Third, does the ad give me something I can actually test? It does not need to be the final perfect ad on the first try. For most marketers, the value is creative volume. You want enough good variations to learn what angle works. That is why this workflow is useful for AI video ads. You can move from one product page to multiple creative directions without rebuilding the campaign every time. Here's how I would actually use Marketing Studio in a real workflow. I would start with one product and generate a few different hooks. Then I would run those hooks across 2 or 3 formats, instead of trying every format immediately. For example, I might test one AI UGC version, one product review version, and one hypermotion version. That gives me 3 different creative angles: creator trust, testimonial style proof, and fast visual attention. If one angle looks promising, I would make more variations of that angle. Different hooks, different presenters, different pacing, different opening lines. For a SaaS product, I would lean into SaaS, UGC, or tutorial, because the viewer needs to understand the app. For an e-commerce product, I would test UGC, unboxing, product review, and hypermotion. For a fashion or beauty product, I would consider the virtual try-on formats if the product fits. This is the real advantage. Marketing Studio is not just helping you make one ad. It is helping you build an ad testing workflow. You still need taste. You still need to review the outputs. You still need to avoid unsupported claims and make sure the product is represented accurately. But the blank page is gone. So if you are a creator, a founder, a Shopify operator, an Amazon seller, or an agency trying to make more ad variations without building a full production team, Higgsfield Marketing Studio 2.0 gives you a practical way to go from product link to hook to finished ad inside one workflow. That is the full demo. Start with the product, generate the hook, choose the format, create the ad, and then use those outputs to test what actually gets attention.